Hi there, Chris here. I have this best padlock that I have tried a lot of best padlocks, picking them with the actual best core. You can see there. And tried to pick them to control or open, and I have never gotten anywhere with them. In this one this morning, I was picking on it, and I got it to open. So I had a comment. I didn't get it on camera, so we're going to try and do that now. But I had a comment from my buddy Bear's back, and he said, you know, sometimes these keys, if you pull them back once, that puts it in the control position. So we're going to try that, and then we're going to try picking it. So we go all the way in and turn it, and it opens. So that's operating. So let's see if we pull it back one. Let's see, that's operating. Pull back one. No control. And open. Okay, so that doesn't work because you can pin them so that you pull it back one and it operates in the control mode. And actually, Bear's Back has done a really great video on that. If I knew how to put links on there, I would. But go check out his channel, because he's a great best guy. He's the best guy anyway. So anyway, here's the keyway, and I'll see if I can pick this on camera. And it just takes some fiddling. You gotta feel the pin set. Of course, that's really with any lock, but you gotta keep checking, or I have to keep checking anyway. I think we got some set, but I am no expert on these, and they have thwarted me for a long time. I have some generic cores that fit best that I'm able to rake open pretty often to control, but and very rarely to open, but not a true best core. And I believe, whoops, don't lose it, we got it open. I'm very proud of that. Anyway, this is a cool best padlock, and I'm really proud of that. That's why I have my little paracord padlock on there. So it shows me, yep, you picked it, bud. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Hit the like, hit the don't like, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers. And we'll see you next time.